Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna be doing a little bit of a day in the life video of working at the Minnesofa Furniture store. We just got dumped on with about 12 inches of snow and it's still snowing up here in Minnesota. We're gonna get a first look here in a second. Oh yeah, she's still snowing. But yeah, come along with me and we'll take you through a day in the life. Currently Sunday, March 15th. It's pretty unusual to get snow like this, but it always happens in Minnesota. Just put the old truck in four-wheel drive. I don't think the roads will be too bad. There probably won't be anyone on them and the plows have been out all night, but it's definitely still snowing. Biggest thing today is we'll see if anyone actually comes in. Sunday's usually a pretty good shopping day, but if you get dumped on with a foot of snow, who knows, right? My business partner, Max, he said that we should have somebody coming in today. He's like, yeah, I don't care about the snow. Typical Minnesotan. So we should get a couple people and hopefully sell them. Gonna run in and grab a potbelly for lunch. The old saying goes, you can't sell furniture on an empty stomach.
Can't sell furniture on an empty stomach.
So let's hop in and get some food. Finally made it in the office. Took about probably a half hour, 40 minutes, where it only should take about 20 minutes, but got some lunch. And now I'm gonna be opening up the shop, just turning on some lamps, turning on the rest of the lights, and getting ready to start store hours at noon. One thing we always try to do, especially after a big sales day, yesterday was Saturday and we got quite a few sales plus a lot of traffic, is make sure the pillows on the couches are all fluffed up, everything like that. So every time a customer comes in, they can have the exact same experience as everyone else and make sure everything just looks nice and tidy, and hopefully they gives us a better chance of them buying a sectional. All right, the store looks pretty good. It's ready and we'll just see if anyone comes in. As you obviously know, we just got a foot of snow. It's not stopping, so the roads are still pretty bad. We made it here, plus we should have one or two people scheduled to come in that just don't care about the snow. 11:51 and we open at noon, 9 minutes. Hopefully we get some people coming in. Goal today is to get 3 couches sold today. Let's see if we can do it. All right, it's been about an hour since the store is opened. We've had 0 people in, which on a day like today, that obviously could easily happen. But yeah, what can you do on a day like today? We do have a guy that said he's coming in here shortly. Not sure when, but hopefully we at least get this guy, get him on a sectional or sofa or some furniture item, and maybe a couple others later through the day. Still pretty nasty out, it's blowing around, still a little bit of snow coming down. We'll do our best here. Hey, welcome in. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Good, you made it through the snow.
Yeah.
It's pretty real. Too bad I dropped that in the car and slide a little bit.
Yeah, it's front of the drive. Yeah, we were sure about a week ago. And we'll get this one. We'll get another.
Okay, yeah. Sounds good.
We just have to move that lamp, you know.
All right, the customer just walked out of here. We got that sale on the first customer of the day, and then the second customer was the one that Max had lined up coming in, and he didn't buy, but he's got to have his wife go and see it at another store and sit on it, and then he should be buying later this week. But yeah, it's good to get one on this snow day. Never know if anyone's actually going to come in. Yeah, we'll see what we can do. We've only had those 2 people, so we're 1 for 2 on the day. Got them on a sectional in the first group, and then we'll see what else we can get cooking the rest of the day. When business gets slow, luckily our boy Lanners hooked us up with one of these games. We do sell them. We haven't sold one yet. It gets a little slow. We get to rip Pac-Man, Galaga, Donkey Kong. We kind of all have our own game around here. I've got the record for Galaga. Austin's got the record for Donkey Kong. Max has got the record for Dig Dug. Yeah, there's a ton of games. These machines are sweet. We sell them for $2,500. Got like hundreds of games. Yeah, let's rip a little Galaga. All right, guys, that is a wrap on today. So Sundays we are open noon to 4. We only had 2 groups in, but what can you expect on a Sunday when we've got a foot of snow and it still is snowing out there right now. But good to get that one sale today. Probably would have been a little bit better Sunday, plus a lot busier if it hadn't been for the snow, but we powered through. I'm gonna lock up the shop, get out of here, and get ready for a big day tomorrow. All in all, thanks for following along today. Subscribe if you want to see more Minnesofa day-to-day content, but we'll see you in the next video.